Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to disable fingerprint lock on TeraBox Vault, and now let's dive right in. Now to disable or turn off the fingerprint lock on TeraBox Vault, first open up a TeraBox app on your phone. And after opening a TeraBox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the personal vault option available for us, which is the third one just above the recycling bin. Tap on the personal vault, which is the third option, and to land over here again we'll be required to tap on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen on this interface. Tap on it, and when this drop down menu appears, tap on settings, and you can see the fingerprint unlock option available for us. Now in order to disable or turn off the fingerprint lock on TeraBox Vault, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and then your fingerprint lock on TeraBox Vault will be disabled or turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to disable fingerprint lock on TeraBox Vault. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.